This is the video on how to use the Contact Manager view side of the platform, which is the appointment reminder side of our platform. So when you log into the client's marketing center, you'll go to the Contact Manager view side of the platform. If you don't see this option, then you don't have it enabled for the client's account, so you would need to go back into your main view, click E for edit next to the client's name, scroll down to the extra features section and enable Contact Manager view, and then submit the changes and re-log into their account so you can go to the Contact Manager view side of the platform. From here, this is where it will take you to this page. You won't have anything inside here at first, so you need to either start creating members to send those appointment reminders messages to, or you can upload a CSV file of all the members all at once. So if we're just going to go in and add individual members one by one, we'll click the Add New Member button, and you can put in all of their information, or you can just put in their basic information if you want to. And then you need a mobile number, of course, and save that information. And now you'll see the name in your list of people that you can send appointment reminders to. If you wanted to upload a CSV file all at once, this button right here, Upload Members, is what you would click. It actually has a link where you can see the example format. So this is the format that your spreadsheet needs to be in when you're uploading it into our platform. So you need to have the headers at the top of the spreadsheet. So if we go and do a spreadsheet, then phone number would need to be at the top of this column, and they need to be, the headers need to look exactly like it's formatted here in the example. And then last name, first name, whatever information we're uploading, just put all that in this spreadsheet. And then you would put your phone numbers right here. Last name, we'll do first name. And then, so on and so forth. It does say, however, you can see here that the phone number needs to have a 1 in front of it, and there needs to be no dashes. This is the format for the phone number, so I need to change that. Put a 1 in front. And then from the spreadsheet, you need to save the file as a CSV file. So it has to be a CSV file. And then once you have it saved, you could upload it straight into the platform. Browsing right here with that browse button, choose the file. Yes, I have agreed to the terms and conditions. If you want to see those terms and conditions, you could click on the link and it would show you terms and conditions saying that you're not going to spam or illegally send these mobile numbers any messages without their consent. And then upload, and once you upload, it would upload all those numbers into your list right here. So that's just a quicker way to upload a list of mobile numbers into the platform. Whenever we're ready to send that contact a message, we can do so by two ways. You can send quick SMS and just click the button, type out the message you want to send them. Whatever message you want to type out to them. This is where you would select or type out that message. Or if you had pre-made templates already, you could select the pre-made template, and I will go over that here shortly. You can send immediately, or you can choose the time and date that you want to send that message at. So if his appointment is a month from now, you could schedule it in advance. And then you would just click send. The Manage tab up top is where we can pre-make those templates that I was just talking about. So instead of having to write out the same message every time, we can have a standard message. We would just name it right here, template name, weekly appointment reminder, and then in the message box, that's the message that's you're going to set as for the template. You can also see right here this special variable that if you use the name variable and use that tag, it will actually pull the customer's first name and it will personalize the text message a little more. So I could say NAME. If we write that out, it's going to pull their first name. Your appointment is tomorrow. Please reply back to this message if you cannot make or need to cancel. We're going to set that as a template. So when I go back to my home page and I want to send out an appointment reminder, here's the other way we can send out an appointment reminder, either a quick SMS or we can click on their name, check the box next to their last name, click choose selected members, and it will move them down to the selected members box. So if you had more than one, you could add as many as you would like. And then you're going to click the send SMS message button, and right here's where we can select the template we want to use. I want to use this template, and it fills it in for you. And then we can choose to send it now or send at, and then just press the send/schedule button, and it's set up and it's ready to go. So if we want to go in here, I'm going to add a new member. Add someone else into the system to send a reminder to. Save that. And I'm going to remove Bob. That's how you can remove someone from the list. And I'm going to add Kelly. I want to send her a message. Move her down to the selected members. Send SMS message. I'm going to use the template. I'm going to send it immediately. So as soon as you send that message, it's going to say up top, sent successfully to one recipient or the number of recipients that it's sent to. And they can actually reply back, and it's going to come back to our inbox, and when they do reply, you'll have a flag and a message that says you have one new message or you have 5 new messages. So it tells you when you have a new message, and you can actually go to the inbox and find the back and forth stream between you and that mobile number, so you could reply back to them again. So this side of the platform is actually a two-way communication feature. So we can communicate with people via text, they can reply back to us, we can reply to them, so on and so forth. So now you can see that they have replied, that customer has responded back to my text message. I can click here or the inbox to take me inside. And you can actually click on the message that they sent you and you can see their response. I cannot make it, but I'm open Monday. You can send them another message back if you would like, or you could call them, or whatever action you would like to do from there. But it is truly a two-way back and forth communication through text messages to our customers. We can also make groups, create groups out of all of our members. So if you want an entire group to get a message, you could name the group, move everyone, all the members that you want included into the group to the right hand side, click add group, and now you can, instead of individually one by one sending one person a message, an appointment reminder, you could send an overall list or an overall group a reminder. You can do that by going to the available groups. Now you see that list in available groups. I'm going to move them over here to the left under selected members, send SMS message, and you can send them a message. Everyone in that group would get that message. We also have the ability to add attributes. Attributes are the information when we're adding a client. Right here, these are the attributes, all the information that goes along with their account. So if there was an additional attribute or there's an additional piece of information we need to know about this client that's imperative, you know, when we're sending them appointment reminders, you can actually go in and add attributes. So for instance, Say that we're a vet and we need to know the name of their pet when we're sending them these appointment reminders. So an attribute we might need to add is pet's name. I click add. You can see that it successfully added that attribute. So click save to continue. Now when I go in and I'm filling out this customer's information, right here under extended attributes I can put in their pet's name, save that, and I have that information as well. The scheduling tab just gives you a month view of what you have scheduled to go out. So when you had appointment reminders scheduled to go out on each day, it would show it to you in the list, and you could actually go in and click on it and view. In the reporting, that is going to show you the reporting for the messages you've sent and received from these customers. And you can actually download the log right here if for any reason they would want that log of mobile numbers that or that reporting for the appointment reminders that they've sent out. So it would give you a timestamp, incoming, outgoing, and the message right there. This has been the video on the Contact Manager view side of the platform. Thank you.